Big media is taking on big tech. Penske Media Corporation, the publisher behind Rolling Stone and The Hollywood Reporter, has filed a lawsuit against Google, claiming the tech giant's AI summaries are siphoning traffic, hurting revenue, and threatening the future of journalism. Today, we'll break down what's happening, why this lawsuit could shake the media landscape, and what it means for AI and the open web. The lawsuit focuses on Google's AI overviews, those concise summaries that appear at the top of search results. Penske Media argues that these summaries often give readers all the information they need without clicking through to the original article. As a result, traffic to their websites is declining, and revenue from ads and affiliate links is dropping. In fact, Penske claims that revenue from affiliate links is down by more than a third this year, directly tied to these AI-generated summaries. Penske Media is the first major US media company to sue Google over AI summaries, but they're not alone. Earlier this year, online education company Chegg filed a lawsuit, and in Europe, independent publishers have taken similar action. Industry groups like the News/Media Alliance have called AI overviews the definition of theft and are urging government intervention. This lawsuit is part of a growing clash between AI companies and the original creators of content. Google, for its part, defends the AI overviews. Spokesperson Jose Castaneda told the Wall Street Journal that these summaries make search more helpful and encourage people to use Google more often. But publishers argue that users now have little reason to click through, which is devastating online media businesses that rely on web traffic for revenue. Essentially, Google benefits from the work of journalists without adequately compensating them. The lawsuit also highlights a difficult choice for publishers. Penske Media says it can either block Google from indexing its content, which would reduce its presence on the web and further harm revenue, or continue allowing Google to use its content to train AI, effectively fueling a system that threatens their business. It's a classic catch-22. Participation risks the company's survival, but withdrawal risks invisibility. This isn't just about Penske and Google. Similar battles are playing out across the media and education sectors. Encyclopedia Britannica and Merriam-Webster recently sued the AI startup Perplexity for copying definitions. News Corp filed a lawsuit last year, and other major publishers, including the New York Times, have raised concerns about AI training on their content. The question is clear: who owns the work that powers AI? If Penske's lawsuit succeeds, it could reshape how AI tools interact with news content. Publishers could regain control over their work, or at least get fair compensation. On the flip side, a loss could embolden tech companies to expand AI-generated summaries, potentially reducing traffic for many online publishers and accelerating the decline of the open web. For everyday users, AI overviews are convenient, they provide instant summaries. But convenience comes at a cost. If AI reduces clicks to original sources, publishers struggle, investigative journalism may decline, and the diversity of information online could shrink. The case isn't just about Penske Media, it's about the future of credible, sustainable journalism in the age of AI. The Penske Media lawsuit against Google marks a new chapter in the ongoing struggle between traditional media and AI-powered technology. As courts, governments, and tech companies weigh in, the outcome could define the rules for AI content, publisher rights, and the open web itself. One thing is clear: the digital media landscape is entering uncharted territory, and the consequences will affect us all.